Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Wells Fargo mobile when it freezes or UI buttons not working. If the app freezes mid-task or buttons won't respond, try this sequence to avoid lost transactions. First of all, don't first reboot mid-transaction. First, force close the app, swipe off from the bottom of your screen. Find Wells Fargo app and then swipe it away, then reopen it. If you're on iPhone, then go ahead and clear your cache, or if you're on iPhone, then just go ahead and restart your iPhone. Then if button still fails, reinstall the app. Long press on the Wells Fargo app icon, then click on remove app, then delete app. After deletion, if you want to reinstall, go to the app store and then search for the app and then see if there and then reinstall. Next, report the issue through in-app support with screenshots if it keeps happening. Tip: record with exact action cause freeze and include it when contact support. Record which exact action causes freeze and include it when contacting support. Speeds up troubleshooting, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.